Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to add music to BIGO Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step today guys is to open your BIGO Live app and log into your account. After that, click on the Go Live icon at the bottom of your screen. Alright, so then you have to click on the Go Live button, of course, to go live. So once you are live on BIGO, you will notice this three lines icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines icon and then you get all these options. So if you look right here, you find this music option. Tap on that. So if you're using an Android phone, you will see all your music on your phone displaying right here, so you can choose the one you want to add to your BIGO Live. But if you're using an iPhone, you will have to sync your device via iTunes on PC so that your songs will be displayed here. So that's it. This is how you can actually add music to your song. So if the songs are displaying right here, you just have to select the one you want to use and it will be added. So that's how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this.